Hello everybody, I want to show you in this video how you can insert the SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S10. So first of all, we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin is usually part of the box. Otherwise, you could use also the edge of a paper clip. So if you have the phone like this, you will find on the top this SIM tray here, and there's a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So I feel a single SIM version, which one allows us to put one SIM card, one nano SIM card here directly in front, and it has to look like this. So missing corner, and the contacts are below, and it has to look like that. So and if you want, you can add optional also a microSD card, and if yes, you put it like this. Then it has to look like that, and also the contacts are below, and so on and so on. And yeah, that construction you put back into the phone like this. Be sure that it's well closed because the phone is waterproof, as you know. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.